Hey guys, welcome. My name is MagdalineJanet. Welcome to the familia. If you are new, so guys, I am so excited. And shout out to Celeste. Thank you so much, girl, because she asked me to do a full face using DermaBlend products, and I happen to have a whole bunch. So I wanted just to show you guys how all the products work together with a little bit of a wear test, and just to kind of like a get ready with me too, you know? So if you're interested in seeing how all goes down using only DermaBlend today, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn your notifications on, because that's helping the family grow. And follow me on my socials because I'm always there too. Let's get started. Good morning, guys. Let's start. I'm so excited. So shout out to Celeste because she asked me to do a full face of DermaBlend, and I'm like, yes, I have a lot of products. I have two primers. I have here the Insta Grip Jelly Primer, and then we have the Matte Primer. Let's use them both because, you know, why not? So I did my moisturizer, sunscreen, all that, maybe about 20 minutes ago. All right, so this is the Matte Primer. It literally looks like, you see, it kind of looks silicone-y. Yeah, the main ingredient is dimethicone. It's very silicone-y feeling, but it's not too thick. So we're gonna focus this in the T-zone. Yeah, it feels like, you know what it feels like? The Smashbox primer, the very popular one. I can't think of the name. And then we're gonna get the jelly one. Hold on, let's clean the hands. We're gonna get the jelly one, and it's like straight jelly. You see? Ooh, it's moving too. The jelly's a little sticky. It is a water-based primer, so we're gonna just put it in the perimeter of the face, anywhere where we didn't put the matte primer. So let's just like leave it up here. So we're just gonna let the primer sink in for a couple of minutes, and let's talk about DermaBlend. If you are not familiar with DermaBlend and I have had a long relationship. I was using DermaBlend as a kid because my mom used to use DermaBlend, because DermaBlend's known to be like a thicker formula. Like their whole message is hiding tattoos with their foundations, because it's thick, but it's not clogging thick. It's not like drying thick. It's not cakey thick. It's that perfect thickness in which it will cover a tattoo. And I used to use it. They had a pot. I told you guys last time, but I'm story repeating now, like a concealer pot that I used to use, and I loved it so much. I was probably using it wrong, and it was probably my wrong shade, but I've just always loved DermaBlend, and I have all these products. Whoa. Oh, and also DermaBlend, they mostly have skin makeup, like foundations, powders, concealers. They don't have eyeshadow palettes. They don't have anything else but face products like setting powder, primer, concealer, foundation. Essentially, that's their focus, and they do it really well. And I feel like DermaBlend is such an underrated brand, but I love them. I'm here for them. So I have three types of foundations: the continuous CC cream, the one we're going to be using today, this leg and body makeup, and then this Flawless Creator, kind of like their pigment drop. So you can just drop it in your moisturizer and just make it like a tinted moisturizer. This is a very, very thin, watery formula. It comes with a dropper. I can show you really quick. You see? This one's definitely not my shade, but I did a full review on this if you're interested. And also this one is just a face, like a face and body one. I actually like the texture of this one, of the face and body, but it makes my skin a lot greasier than it already is, because, you know, we have oily skin. So I like it. The texture is really nice, but for oily skin, it's just gonna make us look shiny really quick, and you know, we don't want that. And the reason I have all these products, so like 2 years ago, maybe I should start applying my makeup and then I'll tell you the story. Okay, we're gonna go with my favorite foundation at the moment is the CC cream. It's like a full coverage CC cream. It's like this. I am in the shade 40N, and girl, this is the most full coverage, lightweight foundation you're ever gonna like use. It's so freaking good. I'm using my Smashbox brush and I'm just stippling it in. Oh, and it's been a few minutes. I want to go do something really quick. I just wanted to keep the look super simple today, but this foundation is so bomb. It's not matte or anything, but it has that longevity it makes your skin look beautiful after 10 hours. Like, how does that even happen? I don't know, but it does. And I did a video like this with L'Oreal, using the L'Oreal Invaluable line, and it was so good. So good too. So let me tell you guys a story. So maybe like a year and a half ago or two, obviously I was like a lot newer to YouTube, DERMABLEND contacted me through Instagram saying like they were starting this program and they wanted to send small creators product, and I was so excited because that was the first time anyone had reached out to me. We're gonna be cutting in really quick. I'm gonna go in with the Cover Care Full Coverage Concealer. That is, let's see, on all of their products are dermatologist tested and cruelty free, and they're like fragrance free, phthalates free, alcohol free. This is just a full coverage concealer. I'll put the product name and shade and price and everything on the screen like I usually do. Okay, so they contact me and I was so excited. So turns out they were gonna do this program through a third party. Like, I was just so excited to get anything for free. I mean, I still am. I realized like this third party we never got the stuff, and I was like, whatever, you know, maybe they canceled it or whatever. And we were on a group chat on Instagram, and like so many people were complaining how they never received their product, this, that, and next. And I'm like, I can't be mad at something I never got, was never really mine, you know? So turns out they send all these products months and months later, and I still reviewed them because I just felt like that was fair. So it turns out because it took very long, they're like, you know what, you don't have to review them, like they're yours to keep. And I was like, okay, cool. I still reviewed them because I just felt like it was the right thing to do. But it was just so funny. Now I have all these DERMABLEND products. Mind you, I love DERMABLEND and I've used DERMABLEND since I was a kid. And it's like, now I have all these products to do a full face. I think I'm missing, like, they have cream products, like cream contour sticks, foundation powder, but it's okay. I think what I have is enough. I actually went and bought the concealer last week at Ulta. So, ooh, we're gonna let the concealer sit a little bit because it has a bit of a thin texture. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, this concealer is definitely full coverage. It does crease though. So I do have two setting powders. We have this little one, their original loose setting powder, and then the banana illuminating powder. I don't put any illuminating under my eyes or in my eye area because no, that's gonna look just a hot mess. We'll use the illuminating on the rest of the face and see how it looks. I love their loose powder. It works so well. It's very, very finely milled. So we're gonna get our powder puff we get from Amazon. Get some, remove it, and then even it out on the skin, on the hand. Let's look back up and then just set these under eyes. And this powder is super lightweight, like super, super lightweight. And I'm just doing tapping motion to the next eye. The concealer is creasing, so we want to get rid of all those creases first before we set. Oh, look how pretty that looks. Okay, the concealer is creasing a lot, so we're just gonna leave it. Or should we remove it? Let's see. Let's actually kind of take some off here because it's creasing. And it's like really making the under eyes look super heavy. Okay, the under eyes look a little crepey, but we're gonna ignore that. So let's go in with the banana illuminating powder. Oh, it comes with like a little powder puff. So this is how it looks. It's like a very light shade of banana. And then we're gonna get on our powder puff. Is it illuminating? Let's see. Set the rest of the face. Not really. It doesn't look too illuminating. But the skin looks good, look. This foundation will just look good with anything, like literally anything. The under eyes look super, super dry. Let me look up. If you can see all these creases and they look crepey. So I think it's the concealer. I don't think it's working out too well. We're gonna do a wear test, not too long, probably like 8 hours, because we know these products work. Just to show you guys, if you're not familiar with DERMABLEND, I just wanna show you guys how it works on regular skin. So it is 6:45 in the AM. Let me put some bronzer, BRB. All right, guys, so let's take this off. Whoa, things always fall, I swear. So I just put some of the original setting powder on. Looks nice. Besides my under eyes, we look good. So we're gonna get the Power Setter 2-in-1 Set and Refresh Setting Spray. I really like this one. I'm almost out. Mister's a little on the rough side, but other than that, I feel like it sets your makeup pretty well. Get the fan. All right, look how the skin looks. So nice. Natural, huh? Nothing too heavy, nothing too cakey. But let me just go comb my hair, BRB. All right, guys, I'm back. Hair combed and everything. Well, kind of, but you know. So guys, this is how the skin looks. I like it. Skin looks super fresh, super lightweight, nice. It doesn't look heavy. It doesn't look cakey. None of these products feel heavy. It feels very, very gentle. And the skin just feels like skin. I love all the products, like I told you guys, and I've used all of them also. The only one is just the concealer. It has this liquidy light feel, but it dries down matte. And matte concealers don't work well because I do have creasy under eyes and dry, and they just make them look cakey. And now we have cakey under eyes. So I just want to show you guys how they look. I made sure to put a lot of mascara on my lower lashes so it can kind of hide that creasing that's right there. So that usually is a little trick that helps. Per the usual, you guys know I didn't put any highlight. The only thing I do see is like a little bit of a glow because of the banana powder. I was gonna say banana powder again, but it looks nice. It's like a natural glow. And this foundation, you guys, is my favorite foundation right now. This one and the Shiseido. Oh, so good. Those two are my high-end favorite foundations at the moment. But yeah, I'm feeling this today. Let's go in front of the window so you guys can see, and see you later. Bye. Oh my gosh, guys, I totally forgot to come to the window, so it's been a couple hours. But it's better because we have a bit of better lighting. So this is how the skin looks. You see this glow that just came out? It's been 2 hours, so now like the skin is warming up and everything. But look at the skin. Just everything works so cohesively well. I feel like the under eyes look a little janky, but it's okay. So yeah. Okay, see you later. Just want to show you here in my car in daylight how bomb the skin looks. Hey guys, just wanted to come on here and just check in at the end of the day. So it's almost 3. We've had the foundation and all the products on for about 8 hours, and look at the skin. It looks dewy, but no gastada. It looks like our natural skin. Like, it doesn't really look like we have anything. The under eyes got a little bit better. They're still a little dry, crepey and scrapey, but the face looks good, and that banana powder is bomb. It was my first time using it today, and oh my god. But yeah, I'm definitely gonna use it again. And yeah, Dermablend for the win. Such a great brand with beautiful quality products that I'll be using from now until forever. Or really, I've been using it since I was like 12 until forever. But you know what I mean. So yeah, this is it, guys. Just wanted to do a quick wrap up. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the love and support. Thank you so much, Celeste, for asking me to do this because I never really thought of doing it. So thanks so much, girl. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. The button, I think it's right here. Now that I'm on my phone, I'm not sure which side it is. But let's say it's here. Subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.